Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marily Gebeb Garcia, 32 years old from Philippines. I'm happily married and I have two kids, girl and boy. The girl is 14 years old and the boy is 12 years old. As of my experience, I work as a helper and babysitter of Mrs. Veronica Kadawan family since January 2015 up to the present. As a helper, I'm the household chores of cleaning the house, cooking, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, and going to supermarket. I also take care of two children with patience and loving them much, treating them as my own children. I decided to apply in Hong Kong because of financially problem. Because I want my children to support their studies and send them to a nice school. If God given me a chance to work in Hong Kong, I promise to do my best and my obligation as a being a trustworthy helper. And I promise to finish my contract. God bless.